My Muslim family, you need education too. Because you don't think that man is divine. But that which is of divine is that which is created by the divine. We are in a divine creation. And we are a part of that divine creation, and the spark of divinity is in us all. Follow me now. The Holy Quran comes at it a little differently. It says that the human being is created to be Khalifa. That means one who stands in the place of another as a successor. So in this instance, the human is the successor of God. Well, how could you succeed God? How could you be in the image and likeness of God if you don't have the capacity to reflect Him? Think with me. Think.